Here I have Honor 8X, and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on that device by using the secret code. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone's dialer and let's input the following secret code: *pound *284657 #*#. So the project menu pops up, so here you can navigate just by tapping appropriate options. In my case, let me choose Restore Factory, and this operation will delete all personal data, customize settings and install apps. If you are aware of this, let's tap OK. And right now the device is formatting itself, so let's wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. As you can see, reset is successful. Now let's use shutdown button and let's simply press power key to turn back on the device. Let's wait until the smartphone will be ready to use. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start easily activate your smartphone. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.